quick and satisfying low-carb snacks.
Craving something tasty, but want to keep your carbs in check? Making your own low-carb snacks can be easy, fast, and full of flavor. In this video, discover 3 simple recipes you can whip up in just 5 minutes. Whether you're at home or on the go, these snacks are delicious, filling, and great for anyone watching their carb intake.
Cheese and turkey roll-ups.
Start with a slice of turkey breast and a slice of your favorite cheese. Place the cheese on top of the turkey. Roll it up tightly and secure it with a toothpick if needed. Add a slice of cucumber or a thin layer of mustard for extra crunch and flavor. These roll-ups are high in protein, low in carbs, and perfect for a quick, savory bite.
Greek yogurt with nuts and berries.
Spoon half a cup of plain Greek yogurt into a bowl. Top with a handful of berries like strawberries or blueberries, and sprinkle on some chopped almonds or walnuts. The yogurt offers protein and creaminess, while nuts add healthy fats and crunch. This snack is refreshing, filling, and low in sugar. Just choose unsweetened yogurt to keep carbs to a minimum.
Crunchy veggie sticks with guacamole.
Slice up crisp veggies like celery, cucumber, or bell peppers. Mash half an avocado with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lime to make a quick guacamole. Dip your veggie sticks into the guac for a satisfying crunchy snack. This combo is packed with fiber and healthy fats, keeping you full and energized without overloading on carbs.
Enjoy easy low-carb snacking.
With these 3 ideas, turkey and cheese roll-ups, Greek yogurt with nuts and berries, and veggie sticks with guacamole, you can have a delicious low-carb snack in just 5 minutes. Experiment with your favorite ingredients and flavors to keep things interesting and stay on track with your nutrition goals without spending hours in the kitchen.